Hey guys, we are back with another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about this. She's a mother and she's talking about sleepovers, specifically with her son. And basically she's, kind of setting the ground rules of like, make sure like when you sleep over someone else's house that you're not sleeping in the bed with them. Make sure you sleep on the floor, make sure you're not naked around them, make sure they're not naked around you, kind of thing. And the husband basically said she's overreacting, and this has brought like different responses from different people on like their idea of sleepovers, for their children, or just their ideologies on that. I also feel like with sleepovers, I feel like I've done like maybe a few, or I rarely ever do sleepovers, plus I'm like a black person. I don't know if that's another factor to it. Like, we don't really play with sleepovers heavy like that, at least in my situation. But I have visited people's houses, and whatnot, but rarely, or even like few times rarely, I may have slept over. But that's like if my parents really, really know them. And even with that, you don't really always know the people that if that makes sense. But yeah, the thing with sleepovers, especially if they're young, like having them sleep over at someone else's house, or like, or that I feel like the other person's ideologies or their house rules may impact the child that is also sleeping over the other person's house. Some people don't see it as a problem, but some of them, because children are really impressionable and they can start to compare um someone else's living situation versus their own ones, and that other house may influence them and bring, other influences, good or bad, into that child that sleepovers in that environment or that other person's house. So that's another cautious thing to talk about. And not everyone has the right intentions, not everyone has, pure intentions. So I don't think that the mother is overreacting, because this world can be very crazy, and some people, there's even some stories of trigger warning. Some people have been like sexually violated, and all those things, and trauma and all that. And you want to make sure that you protect your children at all costs, even if it doesn't really happen. It's like having a seatbelt. So you don't anticipate for a car crash, but the seatbelt is there for you to be protected just in case something happens. But tell me your thoughts on this, guys. Do you think that the mother is overreacting with these rules of, sleeping over like someone else's house? But yeah, tell me your thoughts on this, guys.